So now we shall discuss about the SP3 hybridization taking place in the carbon atoms of organic compounds. So here one s orbital and 3 p orbitals of an atom combine to form 4 sp3 hybridized orbitals. So example, alkanes Cn H2n plus 2 is the general formula. So we shall take methane as an example. So same, carbon is equal to atomic number 6, electron configuration 2s1 s2 2s2 2p2. So this is the box method of representation. This is the ground state. On the excitation, you will find 4 unpaired electrons.
So in CH4 methane N is equal to 1.
S orbital SP2 hybridization SP3 hybridization. So this is excited state. The unpaired electrons are 4. So now S character 25%, P character 75%, 1 by 4, 3 by 4. Here S character 25%, P character 75%, 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 respectively. So if you take the carbon atom here, this is one. So let us represent the shapes of orbitals now, how they intermix spontaneously, S, P, P and P. So all of them will undergo hybridization of the type SP3, 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 SP3 hybrid orbitals. How many? 4 hybrid orbitals. So if you go for the shape of the orbital, this is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp3, this is sp3. They will overlap with the s orbitals of hydrogen atom to form 4 sigma bonds. So here the bond angle is 109 degrees 28 minutes and the shape is tetrahedral in shape and the bond angle is 110 degrees 28 minutes.